Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to lock your WhatsApp application with the lock screen Face ID on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your WhatsApp application. So we need to boost our privacy security by locking the applications to prevent someone opening our privacy on WhatsApp. So whenever you open it, you will see like 5 sections down here, and let's jump directly into the settings. So since we will work with the privacy and security, so you just need to jump into this privacy. In this privacy section, you just need to like scroll into the down side until you found this screen lock, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to activate the required Face ID. And whenever you activate this button, then whenever you like out from the WhatsApp application and you will into back, there will be require a Face ID. So that's the way how to lock your WhatsApp applications. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.